Hi, I must admit I'm feeling a bit better now. Whether it was a short-term bug, I don't know, but I certainly feel a bit better. Anyhow, put another 2 lamps up. I've been sorting out more lamps that are up in the loft. Here we have, the reason I show that is the caps. These are 3-pin or 3-pegged bayonet caps on both of these lamps, and they were intended to be used in conjunction with the, I think they call it infrafill, on the other one. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, the infrafill heating lamp, which is infrared. There's the actual etch. It's a nice etch. Shows the sun. This is the, I think, the earlier of the two. It's got the voltage and wattage, 150 watts. The place where it was made is indicated, I think, by those 3 dots, which makes a difference from the normal place where these are made in Weert, or some name like that. I always get the name wrong. You'll have to excuse me. I find certain things, memory's not too good at times. Anyhow, it's made in Holland, and I can't show it a light because I haven't got that type of holder. I thought I had got one, but I say if I find one, I've already promised one to a friend, so if I find it, that's where that'll go. Funny enough, that was a lighter. Crikey, when you think the lamp that I'm holding now is much heavier than the later one. The later one is quite light. Anyway, it's exactly the same lamp. Show you the etch. 150 watts. Infrafill, that one's called infrafill. 240 volts. It shows you the 3 little shield things arranged. They used to do that years ago on these lamps. It's made in, I can find it, made in Holland, and I think, yes, we have, if I can show it up a bit better, the 6-pointed star, which we all know where this lamp was made now, don't we? Even me with my terrible memory. Anyhow, there's the lamp. They're both workers as far as I know, but unfortunately you won't see them alight because I haven't got a holder for them. But as I say, these were, the back's slightly different as well. This is the heavier one that I'm holding now. This is the lighter one. It's got sort of a ribbed effect. But no, they're basically the same. Same voltage, same wattage. So there we are. Any questions, please ask. And yeah, the reason they have the 3 pegs is so that they will only fit into their own make of lamp. Normally these would have been a screw base. I know the German ones are normally screw base by Osram or Neron, which is an Osram owned company at the time. So yeah, it's quite interesting. Anyhow, once again, any comments please make, and we'll see what we put up next. Anyhow, many thanks again. Thank you.